Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about building a list of product ideas to scale your business to 100K per year. This is part 3 of the 5-part series here on the channel we're doing this week for Amazon FBA product research in 2022. I wanted to put together a, structured whole week of lessons for you guys, get you pumped for 2022, get your mind right, get you in the game, you focus. So be sure to stick around to the end, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. Specifically, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video or the next one. And if you missed the first two, you can go back and watch those. Other than that, guys, let's get right into it. So this is where we left off yesterday. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go back and watch yesterday's video. In fact, go back and watch part 1 and then come all the way through the series. I'm going to be hitting search. We filled out our filter set. If you want to hear about why we set up our filters this way, like I said, go back and watch the other one. Now we're going to look through here and we're going to try and find some product ideas. Now, what we're going to be doing here is we're just making a list. Don't worry about Amazon yet. Don't worry about, what the market looks like. Anything that's interesting, open it up. Now, that's specifically subjective, right? It's subjective entirely. What I will give you is a couple of different things you should stay away from. Seasonality, electronics, and art. Anything that can be subjectively design based. Wall art, don't do it. Custom pens, anything that's custom, you're not going to be able to do that with FBA. I mean custom as in like each one is specifically customized for the customer. Anything that could be a commoditized product, it's just too general, like plates for kitchen, that's not going to work either. As long as you're falling into that somewhat unique product that's not seasonal, that's not a commodity, and that's not too subjective. I know that's kind of a lot to digest right now, but trust me, just watch me do it and you'll get a hang of it. So I didn't see anything stick out to me on this page. I'm going to go to page 2, and that's just the reality of it. Sometimes we have to go through and we have to look a little bit. It's not always going to be perfect. Look through here again. Art, we're staying away. Electronics, we're staying away. However, this is perfect. Large galvanized bucket. There's a couple things I like about this, okay? There's 2 descriptive words, okay? Large describes a characteristic of the product that is the bucket. So does galvanized. So what that allows us to do is look at the market and ask ourselves, is this product large and galvanized? If it's not what the customer is looking for. We'll be getting into more of that, analyzing the, I almost threw my mouse across the room. We'll be getting more into that in the next video about analyzing the ideas and make sure they fit our criteria. In this one, we're just making that list. So it's very low pressure. You don't have to think too much about this. What we're going to do is we're just going to take this. We're going to go up to our product ideas list. Let me clear these silly ones that we set up. If you're wondering what these are, talked about these in part 1, and we'll just put in first idea, large galvanized bucket. Here's a couple other things that you can do. One of the things I like to do personally is just go through here, screenshot that, or even like this, copy link address up here, dash, there's the link to the product with that search term. So what that's going to do is it's just going to search large galvanized bucket right on Amazon. Then we can also go insert image and pull in that screenshot that we just made. So there we go, nice and neat and clean. We know that the search volume is 605. The price is 34. The average sales per month are 23. The revenue is 6,000 on average. We have the link that button would be right here. Command click. Open, that'll open it up on Amazon. It searches large galvanized bucket. It doesn't get any better than that. So that's all we're focusing on, right? Anyone can do this, guys. It's that easy. That's it. It's really that easy. Go make a list of products, right? This is it. The thing that people sound like Jerry Seinfeld. It's like when people go out, this is out. You're here. When people go out, they want to go home. Everyone, no matter where you are, they want to go somewhere. Anyway, enough being silly. That's pretty much it, literally. You're doing it. If you're doing this, if you're following along, you're doing it. That's it. Go make this list. See, I'm trying to trick you into slowly becoming a good Amazon seller. It doesn't take a lot of work. You look at it big picture, it's too much to handle. Go and I say make a list of ideas. You don't even have to analyze them, just make the list. Great, everyone knows how to use Google Docs. Go ahead and do it. So now we'll come back and we'll start looking again. I want to get a couple of these. Let's try and find 3. So we go to candle, lanterns, decorative, cookies, smell-proof bags. What y'all putting in those cookies? Come through here. Page 3. Right? Don't like anything, go to the next page. World map decor, that's kind of broad. I'm actually going to use this for a reason, okay? So what I'm going to do is, by the way, if you're wondering how you get the link from here, I don't know what it is on PC, but on Mac, which many of you probably have, instead of clicking view on Amazon, click command, oh sorry, never mind. Right click and then go copy link address on that button. Or if you don't want to leave this page, you just want to open it, you can click command and click on it and it'll open it in a new tab up there without leaving where you are. But just a quick computer lesson from your old buddy Paulie. Let's see, so that was world map decor. Now, I don't know what I'm typing. Let's keep it consistent. Let's go back here and let's actually copy that weird gray thing. It just looks better. Go dash. We'll put that link right there. Okay, really messing this up, guys. Really messing this up. Right click, copy link address, product ideas, paste, enter. Go grab the screenshot so we know what we're looking at. Go screenshot that. Whatever, that's going to be blocking a little bit of it. Maybe we can actually just pull it in right here. Perfect. Now that one's a little small for some reason. Let's make you a little bigger. Cool. Didn't really help that much, but that's okay. I think it's because I did it wrong, right? We didn't have the word in it before, which makes sense. Who cares? Go back to Blackbox and find another one. What I want you to do is I have a homework assignment for you, right? I want you to find 10 of these. I'm going to find 3 for the sake of the video. Find 10. Because guess what? 9 will suck. Because you probably suck at this. No offense, you're just starting. I sucked. Sometimes I'll go a whole day and I still suck at this. That's part of it, okay? Sucking at something's good because it means you can keep working on it. If you're amazing at something, who cares? No, why would you want to be that amazing at something that works every time? Part of the fun is that you suck at it. Rattan wastebasket. Beautiful. Again, specific material type, kind of product. We know exactly what that customer is looking for. That'll be our third one. So see that? Couple of minutes. We got our ideas. It's just minutes. It doesn't take that long. Go back to Blackbox. Now we're getting the hang of things. Go copy that link address, throw it up there. Boom. And come in here and grab this the right way. All we need is this information here. Cool. And then what I could even do is back up here. So that's it, guys. We have our product idea list. It's oriented in this way where we have the search term the customer is looking for. We have a link directly to it. And then we have a little bit of data about the market itself in that form of that screenshot. I just find that it kind of clears it up a little bit. Gives you a little bit, like if you were wondering, okay, I want to look at mainly the ones that are 30 bucks. Look through ideas, price, 30 on average, boom, click into there. Don't pay too much attention to what this stuff says. I don't really care about any of this. That's why I didn't take too much time to look it over. But the biggest thing I'll probably look at is the search volume. Where are people searching for this? Part 4 is coming up in the next video. Be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss it. We're going to be talking about analyzing these ideas. We're going to be giving you the exact criteria that I'll be using to make sure that these products are actually going to sell. So I'll see you in the next part of the series. Later.